This is a quick and easy recipe for an Epsom salt bath. You take your magnesium sulfate Epsom salts, which you can get from a pharmacy or online. Just pour them into a glass jar. And then you add a cup or so of bicarbonate of soda. This is baking soda. And the reason for the baking soda is to aid in the detox process and also muscle recovery. So I have one about once a week. You mix up these two ingredients. The secret weapon in an Epsom salt bath is adding essential oils. Now, instead of taking your bottles and pouring precious drops into the salts, you can actually recycle your used bottles, those that seem to be completely empty. Just pop the top off like this by hooking the cap over the plastic insert. It'll pop out, and then just putting the bottles straight into the salts like this. You'll have an absolutely amazing, unique flavor to the salts, and you'll really enjoy using them. Give it a good stir. Leave it for a couple of hours or a day or two to allow time for the Epsom salt to draw the essential oil out of the bottle and to mix it up in the salts. And then have a bath with about 2 cups of the Epsom salts. Soak for about 20 minutes. That allows the essential oils to penetrate into your skin and for the detox process to help eliminate toxins out. Another great idea is to make an exfoliating foot scrub with the same ingredients, your Epsom salts and your bicarbonate of soda, and I like to add a little bit of ground peach pip kernel. That just helps the exfoliation process. So about a teaspoon of that. Then add your fractionated coconut oil, just enough to make a loose paste that you can take out with your hands and scoop and rub onto the soles of your feet especially. Thanks for watching. I'm Sian Davidson. Please subscribe if you'd like more DIY tips on your self-care routine at home with essential oils. See you next time.